Want to watch Crunchyroll for free in 2025? Here's how you can stream your favorite anime without paying a cent. Make sure to hit that like and sub if this video helps. Step 1. Use Crunchyroll's free ad-supported version. First, Crunchyroll offers a free version with ads. You can watch most anime on their platform without needing a subscription. Just sign up for a free account and start streaming with ads. Step 2. Take advantage of free trials. Crunchyroll also offers a 14-day free trial for their premium membership. During this time, you can enjoy ad-free streaming and access to exclusive shows. Remember to cancel before the trial ends if you don't want to be charged. If this is helping so far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips. Step 3. Watch with friends using SharePlay, iOS. If you have iOS devices, you can use SharePlay to watch Crunchyroll with friends for free. This feature allows you to stream together and enjoy anime remotely without a subscription. Step 4. Check for special promotions. Keep an eye out for special promotions that Crunchyroll offers. Sometimes they'll run deals where you can get free access to certain premium content or a temporary subscription as part of a promotion or partnership. Step 5. Look for free episodes. Crunchyroll sometimes releases select episodes for free after they've aired for premium members. You can watch the latest episodes for free after a certain period, so make sure to check out new releases regularly. That's how to watch Crunchyroll for free in 2025. Use the free version, try free trials, or keep an eye out for special promotions. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips and comment for any other how-to you might need.